sombolei lia auna soko wasayanive iko isalei lia awangarana mumatani riva monongo isaki-saki eveisinga Sevataki wale andilia olei lia isalei lia sombolei lia auna soko wasayanive iko isalei lia nanomulenga kosomangiwai Ausenga nilo matarawamai Uninongulenga andilia Olei lia
Wear closed shoes, a hat, and sunglasses. Avoid dangerous fumes and acid mist. In particular, young children, pregnant women, and visitors with respiratory or heart problems should avoid locations with volcanic fumes. New lava flows that extend beyond the old coastline lack a stable base and may collapse into the sea at any time. For your safety, do not enter closed areas. Be aware, stay alert, observe signs, and use caution at all times. Enjoy a safe and memorable visit to Hawaii Volcanoes National Park. Aloha and welcome to Hawaii Volcanoes National Park. Ahead is the park entrance station where you'll receive a park map and brochure. From there, proceed to the Kilauea Visitors Center. Here you can get oriented to the park and receive information about the active lava flow. When you exit the Visitor Center parking lot, follow the Crater Rim Drive, an 11-mile scenic loop that encircles the summit of Kilauea. Features marked along the way include
straight ahead to the
overlooks, the Jaggar Museum,
where the tree molds.
and the lava tube.
Okay.
Intersecting Crater Rim Drive is the Chain of Craters Road, a 20-foot...
This is where we are. And Kathy, you want to narrate?
I don't know.
Well, this is just the Kilauea Crater, and we're outside the back of the Volcano House, and there's steam coming out of the ground over there from the volcano.
Coming out of the trees down there. Oh, that's strange.
Where's that at?
Down in the trees.
Oh, yeah.
Down in the bottom, down at the bottom of the bluff.
Yeah, yeah, I see those.
We can go over there to the steam bank.
Can we?
This is called the Caldera.
What is that?
Kilauea
Caldera. I use this fence to hold my arm still so Grandma doesn't kill me.
She won't be able to come over here.
No, it smells too bad.
It stinks too much for her. And with heart problems, we're not supposed to come here.
Okay.
Fade to black? Did you?
Not yet.
Why didn't I guess that?
I wanted to go down to the...
Thank you. I went down to where our table was and shot a picture.
Oh, did you? Can we let everybody?
You can,
No,
because
because I explained
everything is really like
Yo.
I want to make sure everybody else is down there. While I'm waiting for
Step on it.
Careful, Bill. They're hiding. There's a...
They're down there.
Maybe man. Yeah.
Lonnie told me that vegetables good, told good. Then they come in there and then they come in back.
It smells like firecrackers.
Shoot.
It smells like fireworks.
Yeah?
Boy, he got a big whiff of it. Hear him coughing? I'm holding my nose so I don't get any of this, but I wanted to look down in the hole. Whoop, it's coming this way. Pick some up. Is it hard or soft?
Soft on the bottom. But it's so shiny on this side. It doesn't stink either.
No, it doesn't.
Feel the steam.
Is it hot?
Warm, yeah. Oh, that's hot. Shoot.
Yeah, it's hot. Ooh, that is hot.
It's hot. Mm-hmm. Vapor when you touch it. Yeah.
Don't touch it. Rock should go down and just like this.
Steamy.
Oh,
Yeah, they throw that down in there.
What?
Throw the money down in there.
Feels like a sauna. Wonderful.
Well, I can't focus on the coins because of the steam. There we go. Oh, it got me.
Feels good, though. Feels like Veronica's steam
It
house.
steamed up the lens.
It did. We'll blow on. You can hear it.
What's it sound like?
Listen, it goes.
It's gonna steam up the lens again.
Hear that?
I don't know if the camera will pick it up.
Oh, there's quarters and dimes.
Well, you can't get down there and get them, boy, that's for sure.
That's probably why people come in. You can hear it. It's neat.
I think it just follows me.
There's a picture of it.
Willst du nicht ein Bild sein? What are you doing?
As soon as the steam goes away, it's a big hole. I don't think these birds can be alive. It's so hot.
I don't know. Get ya?
Feel this one. Feel that one that I have my foot on. Don't be too close. It's hot. Burn my foot. See?
The rock?
Oh yeah.
I put my foot up in that steam and it's hot. Feel how hot.
Is it coming off the rock or out?
It's coming out of that little hole.
Oh!
See?
Ooh. But what am I supposed to do?
It's hot. I stuck my foot up there and burned my toes. Like a dummy. What kind of coin is that, Tim? That's a foreign
Which one?
coin. Poof, right there. Is that a foreign coin?
I don't know. It looks like a blob of bird dew to me.
Bird. Bird dew.
Well, it might be. I can't tell. This thing is steaming up the automatic focus thing here. Hmm? Well, I asked you earlier. Sure, I don't care. So all of these are steam vents now, and it's not sulfur anymore. Even those over there. mit den Fingern.
Dann sieht man nichts mehr vom Vulkan, vom Krater.
Die Sonne ist hinter uns auch. Aber man kann Fersen kriegen.
Ja?
Stellt es ein? Stellt es sich ein?
Ja.
Nachdem wir verlassen, fahren wir rundum und dann zu der Küste, um das Feuer zu sehen.
Mhm.
And solidifying lava, and the gases liberated in fumes. Networks of sensitive instruments following water record the thousands of earthquakes which occur here and are analyzed in the observatory.
Right now,
Measurements are made of the inflection and deflection of the volcano sites, indicating the amount of magma generated in the Earth's mantle of the summit reservoirs, migrating into a volcanic river.
what's registering the footsteps in the hill. Somebody must be jumping
I just won't pick up. You better get out of here. See what it's doing is it's very sensitive in measuring wind in the air.
Not really volcano. No, that's just. That's what it's
and you can see it entering the ocean from there without a height. And if the view is good, you might want to hike in, but if it's not so good, then no sense hiking all the way in. You find out it's not
Hold on. Yeah, I wanted to see it. Strong man.
lava.
Where's it at? Oh, I missed it. Well, it won't open all the way. Not enough. But it's getting it okay. Grandma might get sick if she watches it though.
Might get inside too.
I can't.
Building up pressure, and all of a sudden, it finds a way. You'll get too much pressure, and your lens is closed. That's why I won't turn off. And it goes up to the level of this, goes up and down. This has been 400 feet in 50. In here? And there's obviously places where we overflow.
So why? But they have to be at the middle.
Well, these are, as it fills up, if it were to fill up all the way to the top, overflow, we get a good level. Right. Right. Now, building. That looks like
Sticking
come
up.
around the back up there.
Right.
That might be I don't know. Let me see what this book says about this.
What would be the first sign? I took a picture of that.
The